Good afternoon, class 2014. I asked many of my friends what they would want to hear in a commencement speech that would keep them awake. The two responses that came up most were "Don't be boring," "Thanks, great advice," and "Establish a connection with your audience." Well, my fellow graduates, I will try to level with you, but really, what effectiveness can these motivational words have coming from someone like me, a recent university graduate who has never had a full-time job? No, I will not try to impart any inspirational advice. What I will do is try to share something that I learned and I will miss most about Ball State. I will miss the incredibly helpful faculty. More than I can count on my hands how many times the faculty has gone out of their way to work with me. Whether it is a makeup test, a one-to-one section to explain the material one more time, thank you, Dr. Rennie. Recommendations on 3 days notice, thank you, Dr. Faulkner, or just them taking their valuable time to share advice from their vast collection of experiences. I also learned some things. I learned that if you want something, you must ask for it. Ask for the scholarship, fellowship, internship, and job. Just asking is half the battle most of the time. I just missed out on one of the most amazing experiences of my life, the Indiana Teaching Fellowship, because I did not apply for it. At first, I rationalized to myself, I don't have time to do it. I don't even have time to fill out the application. And I probably won't be chosen anyways. But even as we get older and we have more responsibilities, we always have time. We just have to set it aside for the things that are important. I learned that it is necessary to do the small things, to write thank you notes when people do your favors, to remember birthdays, to give rides to the airport, to tell your parents you love them, as well all the other things that don't take much time and effort, but mean a lot to those around you. It's these small things that make us who we really are. Primarily, though, I learned that at the end of my journey here at Ball State, I still have much to learn, and this, I believe, is the whole purpose of education, to make us realize that the world is a complex place, that rarely is there only right answer, that we don't have to know everything or plan everything 20 years in advance. And it is great. It is great to know that even though we are graduating, our life lessons are only beginning, and we can continue to discover ourselves and who we really are. This is why it is called a commencement ceremony. My dear fellow graduates, as the proverb goes, our real education begins today. Thank you.